The fast is over, but the breakthrough is just beginning. Most people miss the most important part of a 21 days fast: how you finish. Here is how to carry this fire into the rest of your year. Welcome again to my channel. Thank you so much for watching us, for always gluing to this channel and watching our videos. And if you've not subscribed, you've not commented, please do. We need you to grow. Thank you so much. Here we do lifestyle, self-care tips, and we give you a sprinkle of laughter. We entertain you, and thank you so much. So today was actually the last day of the 21 days fasting that we have in a church. We were actually going on the process. All right, so a lot of churches was involved in this. I don't know if you were part of it, but by God's grace, I was actually part of it. All right, so this was the last day. And in church today definitely is Sunday. The pastor said during the closing time that around 5-6 in the evening times, all of us should gather here, and each and every one of us should come with food, should come with something to eat, just to break the fast, just to end the fast in love. And this actually shows a sign of love, unity. Yes, unity. You know, when you eat together, eat in one accord, eat from the same plate, eat from the same pot, eat from the same cooler. It has this bondness. It has this bondness that clicks someone together. So as members, we brought different types of food, which I also contributed my own part. I brought mine, and it was amazing. We did it in an amazing way. We had to pack all the food in one place, and designated people were actually told to manage the table that had the food, the drinks, and everything. Everything was just there. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. You're going to see it. But I think you're going to see the way it looks. Just keep watching. You're going to see how the table was. It was actually an amazing one, okay? So a lot of us had different types of food. You know this kind of food. This one comes with rice. This one comes with swallow. This one comes with snacks, nachos. All the food varieties were available. Okay, before eating this, I actually didn't video that part. I've already drank water first. I took fruit salad. Are you kidding me? I took fruit salad. You know, after that, this is what I'm eating now. Rice, moi, and chicken. Are you serious? It was quite interesting. Okay, this is a sign of unity, a sign of love. Okay, so you will not say I didn't have food to eat to break my fast. There was availability of everything, all the food that you needed. You will see. So people had fun. Actually didn't want to video a lot of faces. I would have showed you people that were there. You know, after praying, that's when we started eating. All right, so that's how the fun was. That is how we summarized the 21-day fast. We summarized it with love. We summarized it with unity. We summarized it in one accord. Yes, it was amazing. It was nice. Okay. So I'm just going to allow you to watch flow to just see how we went, how the flow was. The eating, the dancing, you're going to see through it. Just enjoy the flow of it. did I just do? Did I actually come to the food stand when the food is already finished in the coolers? Wow! Oh, I'm so sorry. I would have showed you the setup from the beginning, how the table was being set up with a lot of food, with 4 different types of food. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. I had to still come out to show you how it looks. So this is us doing the final Thanksgiving after eating. You can see that my mouth is still moving. What's inside that mouth? So I was dancing. And did you see who is dancing close to me? Did you see steps? They fear steps. Can you see dancing steps? I met this mama in church. She's always sitting close to me. She likes to sit close to me. So when I was dancing, I didn't want her to come in. I want to mind my business. But mama was like dancing and giving the steps. I said, no, I'm going to video how. So it was actually fun. So she was dancing. I was still running away. Let me just not put her in my own push in my own video, but mama was still putting her face. I want to come. I noticed she wants to be there. Had to put her in. She has steps. So steps upon steps. Steps the fear steps. All right. So guys, thank you so much. It was actually amazing. We thank God for the grace. We thank God for helping finish it in good faith, and amazing things are actually coming our way.